Okay, good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 7, and right now we will introduce some details about our group assignment. Here are my team members. 10, our leader 10, and Jiebing and Diego, and I'm Lin. Yeah. Next, Jiebing will introduce how to import a file to Cognos analysis. Yeah.
Yeah, before import the file to Cognos Analytics, we can use a computer yourself on, or we can log on to IBM Cloud to reserve an instance. Today, I will show how to reserve an instance on IBM Cloud and how to import a file to the analytic to the IBM Analytics 11.1. First, if you want to reserve an instance, you have to have an IBM account. So register an IBM account is pretty simple, just like a lot of people have done many times. Find this IBM or open the IBM website. Here is the register screen. After you follow the instructions, fill in all the information, you will get an IBM account. So I already registered, have my IBM ID, so I will not do that part. That is very simple. So I already opened the website for register on IBM instance because I have already registered. So I just need to log in right now.
Log in. Already have the IBM account and log in.
Yeah. Because I already have a ID, so it's a little bit slow. So online.
Okay.
Yeah. From here, you can see here we can select country. We are in Canada, so select Canada. From here, you can decide how long you will use this instance. I will reserve only 4 hours. Check the term and reserve the instance. After you click this button, it will take a while because reserve instance will take some time, and then the system will send out an email. From this email, we can find a link to the desktop that IBM provided to us. Also, from the email, you can find a password. So here, this is the link to our desktop, and this the password. We need this one to access or reserve the instance. Paste your password. Then, yeah, here you can see there is a small icon. This reserve the instance, but you can see the background is gray. That means this instance is not working right now. So we can play the button. It will start this VM. There have some small icons, the shutdown and also power icon, just like we already familiar with. We also has our VM installed on our computer. So this is just like our real VM. If you have several reserved instances, you can sort from here and find your instance very quickly. It will take a while.
Yep.
After this background become green, that means the VM is ready to use. Okay, so you can see it changed to green. Click this green part, it will come to the desktop of the VM. This welcome page, just the IBM gave us some information. So from there, we can close this web page. It's slow.
Yep.
This,
Yeah, one
okay.
of disadvantage of online
Yep.
VM is it's slow, right?
Yeah. From this part, we can see there's some quick icon that you can access very quickly. You also can suspend this VM. You can stop it. You can restart. You can power off this VM. This the quick access quick key, and from there you can see just some combined button on our keyboard we usually use. IBM also provide a quick access panel. This the credential. From there, if you happily restart your VM or you if you restart your VM, you need login, just like us log in a window. For IBM provide administrator and IBM user, something like that. And they also give you a password, you can log in directly. So this one, you can click like the, okay. Here you can see this the desktop of the VM. From there, we can, just like the normal computer, you can see I open the web browser, and we can go Cognos Analytics directly. Here we need input the admin username is cogadmin, and the password is IBM demo DE01. No, sorry. I think it's 01. Yeah. Demo 0S. Explanation. Yeah, here is the welcome page of our. Why? Something happened. Yeah, this is the IBM Cognos Analytics welcome page. From there, click New, and here is the upload file. on the desktop, you can find some external files that IBM provided. So we can click for example, we want to use this Excel as a data resource. We can upload this file. Here is the progress bar. You can see the progress is already uploaded, almost half of the file. Yeah, use online VM. The only thing is sometimes it's really slow. It take a little bit long time than use our own computer. It's really take long time. So after that, you will see upload. If upload successfully, you will see the bar. Oh yeah, it become green. That means upload successfully. Here you can see the uploaded file. So for this part, I present how to reserve an instance on IBM Cloud and how the VM environment looks like and how to use some icons that IBM provided to us. So that's for my part. Next, Lynn will present the second part for our come from my group.
Okay, thank you, Jevin. I will share my screen to all. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Okay, so for my part, I will introduce how to build a module and then how to create some calculation on Cognos 11. So if you want to build a module, you just click the new and choose the data module. And here you can see the Excel table, the data table that you can use. If you want to choose 3 table, you just Control click choose 3 table, and then you just click OK to build a new module. For me, I already finished built it, so I just go to my content and I can see here is my customer analysis module. So I think Cognos 11 some part is similar with the framework. If you want to clear up your table, your data, you just like the framework. You click here and create a new folder and type the name. We name it customer demographics. And here you can click the things the data that you want to clear up. Then it's runs slow. Anyway, you just drag them to the folder. It's slowly. Wait a second. Okay, anyway, skip this part. It doesn't matter. I just take an example. So how to create a calculation? We just go. I think it's easier than do that in framework, because if you want to create calculation in Cognos analysis, you just control click the data that you want. Because I want to create a calculation named as margin, so I just used unit sale price and unit cost. Unit cost. Oh my God. Let me try. Can we do that by single data? Oh my God. Oh, I think my computer can't do that with the Zoom. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, create calculation. Oh my God. So here we just name the new column. We name it margin. And then we just click the calculation from here. It's very easy. So we just use unit sale price minus unit cost to get our margin. And then we just create a calculation successfully. It's very easy. And I think for the Cognos analysis 11, the special thing is we can create data group. From here, we could create the member group of this data, this kind of data, such as if I want to set the mass as set the mass group, and here we can choose the number of groups, and from here we choose 4 groups. And then you can see the Cognos 11 set them automatically. And here we can set our columns name, our group name, such as 5 years or 4 to 5 years. And here we can set the range, send the data range of our data. Yeah, after that, we create a member group in a direct way. So for my part, I just create a calculation or member group. Yeah, that's my part.
So we will end the first part of meeting to start a next video of Zoom. Okay. 2, 1, record. Lynn. Introduce. Yeah.
Okay, so next part, Tan and Diego will introduce how to create relationship and how to export file.
Okay, so I will show a feature on Cognos 11. That is edit the relationship between 2 tables. For example, Lin already import. Lin and Jevin already import 3 tables. Cognos loyal program, customer churn and customer claim analysis. And for example, 2 tables have the same primary key, that is a loyal ID. And for example, between 2 tables, we can select the type of joining between them. For example, two tables joining in kind of inner join. One customer in loyal table is one customer in customer claim analysis. So that is a one-to-one relationship. But in another thing, for example, order and order detail, it should be one-to-many. So cognitive analytics allow us to edit kind of joining here. In another table, we can use one-to-many, many-to-one, inner join, left join, right join, or full join like this. And we can refresh the data to see, to cross-check the data is correct or not. So here we can see the data when we join into table, and one customer loyal number and loyal ID into table will be merged into one column. So now when we join into, so I just simply drag and draw it into a report like this. And then, for example, I want to count how many people for each group. I can add the feature next to the count. It's kind of complicated here because we need to crop it correct position, and then we can add sum total here if we want to add it like this. Run the report. They can export to an Excel file, PDF file. For the demonstration purpose, we can run a HTML file to see how the report look like. And the result should look like this. This is on kind of membership group, classic segmentation by link, and how many member each group like this. We also can add one more layer of data. For example, we can add gender into each group. So we just go to customer demographic group and we drop another layer like this, and we can just run the report again, and the report will be fastly updated. Like this. So for each group, we can see, for example, 5-year membership group, they have male and female, like the second dimension for each column. From here, I will summarize the thing we present so far. Jebin introduced the feature of add the file to cognitive analytics. Lynn already introduced how to group and do the calculation, and it can run a report by design and run with different version. So that is the new thing on cognitive analytics. Now, Diego will introduce about group assignment 2. He will introduce how to install the cognitive transformer and how to configuration with cognitive on service. Ready? Here you go. Diego, can you check your microphone? We can't hear you yet.
Unmute your microphone, Diego.
No. Okay, sorry, I put it mute. DST. Okay, I'm going to talk about the Cognos transformer, the modeling data for IBM Cognos, and the configuration. So I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, the first thing that we have to do in the Cognos is just to check the configuration in the gateway URI, just to check that the address is the same as the Cognos. Because when we install it, it's going to change it for Cognos server. I'm not going to go to the whole process of downloading the package that the roller gave us into the Brightspace, because it's very straightforward. It's just clicking. I'm going to all the steps with the wizard. But here is the part that we have to check, because when I run it at the beginning, it doesn't work. Just change this part in the gateway URA, change the Cognos server for BI server. So this is the thing that we have to do. Once we finish that, we go to Cognos transformer, and we're going to do an example. Here, if we want to see the suspended models, I'm going to click no. I'm going to create a new model. We want to keep this one checked, otherwise we're not going to see it in the future. So just check that checkbox mark. The next, we are going to rename our model. The next, here we're gonna select the type and the name of our data source. So we go here and we select the package, and then we click next. We go to our Cognos server. Okay, for here we have to select our data source. So I already have it here, but the process is going here. Select models, and we're going to work with the Go Data Warehouse query. That is different than the analysis. So we're gonna take this one. Then we click next. We are going to select our query subjects here, so we have to rename it like query. We're going to this. We have to expand the sales marketing. Oh, that is not expanding now. Okay, it's not responding, so we have to wait until the software is responding. It's getting, but okay. I selected. I don't have to select that. Only expand it. So we go here, and now we go to sales query and expand it again. We expand sales fact. In this case, we're going to take quantity, revenue, gross profit, and plan revenue. From order method, we are going to select this order method type. Finally, we're going to choose the time and select date. So this one. Once we already select all the query items that we want to get, just click add, and we are gonna have it here. Let me move this a little bit. We are going to do a preview to see if everything is working fine. And we have to log in with our SA user. Yeah, so we use SA. And that's it. We have the information here in our preview on the SQL and the native SQL. So we're going to hit OK button. We unselect the Run Auto Design here, and then we finish. Add another query. You will set no, because we're not going to run anything. And now we have in our data sources all the queries that we were trying to import here. So we have our quantity, revenue, gross profit, plan revenue, order method type, and date. So that's it for my part. Then, okay, thank you, Rola. This is the end of our presentation. The whole group just present, I think, in a really good way all the projects, and we are really happy for this opportunity to share our videos and presentation. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys.